y'all, it's Laura and I'm back with a very exciting announcement. I have created a class with real-time videos for beginners, and this class is completely free. There's no sign-ups, there's nothing to buy. If you have a little bit of stash or a lot of stash, use it. I'm giving you a supplies list so that you can easily recreate the kit that I'm using in the class, and the kit that I'm using is also available on their website. I'm not selling you anything. Use what you have. But I want to introduce you to the more modern style of scrapbooking. A lot of us were using that creative memory style for a long time. I started that way 18 years ago, and when I started with YouTube a year ago, I began to slowly move my way forward into the new modern style. And over this last year, I have really enjoyed developing my personal style into something that I love. And I wanted to share it with you. I have been so encouraged by the people of this community. This scrapbooking community is amazing. And I have so appreciated all of the encouragement and support that all of you have given me. This is my way of giving back. Now, to give you an idea of what we're going to be doing in the class, there are 6 lessons. They cover things like layering, clustering, adding depth, dimension, and texture to your layouts, and why you would want to do that, and all those real-time videos. The videos are fairly short. They're about 20 to 40 minutes long, and you will be completing 4 layouts in 12 by 12 size, a pocket page, and a traveler's notebook spread to give you a little taste of each of those styles of scrapbooking. To give you an idea of what we're going to be doing, I did grab 2 of my examples to show you. Here's one of the layouts that we'll be making. Isn't that cute? So this one, we did a lot of fussy cutting on this one. We'll be going over a lot of different techniques for adding texture and interest to your layouts. And on this other one, we did a grid. So I hope you will come and check out the class. I hope it's helpful to you, and if it is, please share. I want to get the word out there to help beginner scrapbookers get started, because I watch these process videos too that everyone makes, and sometimes, especially in the beginning, it can be overwhelming to think, that looks so cool, I want to try that, but I don't know how. How do I get started? And there's not a lot out there for beginner scrapbookers, so I thought this is a hole in our system. This is something that's needed, and I want to fill it. So I hope you will check out the class. It is in the description box below, the little link straight to the class. Nothing to buy. I don't need any of your information. This is completely open and available to anyone. Have a great day, y'all, and until next time, bye!